Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix high CPU usage in Opera GX. So what you'll need to do is open your Opera GX and go right here to GX control and scroll down until you see CPU limiter. Click on that one, and here you will be able to select processor limit percentage. So make sure to select that at 30. And what you can do right now, if you have high CPU usage, go to the task manager, go to the details, and right here scroll down until you see Opera GX. As you can see, there's a lot of Opera GX running. So right click it on one and click set priority and click on below normal. And that should fix your problem. Like that, you change your priority and it will minimize your CPU usage in Opera GX.